Glenorchy restored Steamship Depot. The famous red wharf shed is a great shot. Everyone takes pictures in front of the door. Glenorchy is a gateway to many activities in the region, but no visit is complete without checking out the Glenorchy Wharf for its access to lake and mountain views. Glenorchy is a small settlement at the northern end of Lake Wakatipu in the South Island region of Otago, New Zealand. It is approximately 45 kilometers, 28 mi, by road or boat from Queenstown, the nearest large town. Glenorchy was named after Glenorchy, a valley in Argyll, Scotland. The sunken trees just to the right of the wharf. They create an eerie subject, especially if there happens to be fog rolling over the lake.